welcome back to another thrift and thrift haul video. Today I am at our local Habitat shopping around. They have lots of books here. Sometimes I find some old ones, and today I saw this one, and then I saw another one that was a garden book that had some nice pictures in it and descriptions. They also had a whole shelf of all cookbooks, which I thought was really interesting, and there were some really cute cookbooks. And then I went over to look at the small items I had on the shelf here. I thought that these two wall plaques were really pretty, but I'm just trying to be more selective about the items I'm getting lately. And then I thought this candle was really cute, and it also smelled really good. I spotted this stack of bone dishes, but I was not about to pay $4 per bone dish. I thought this plate was really pretty, but it was $9, and I just think that their prices are kind of expensive here, especially for just a single plate. I really loved these old pictures in these frames, but I have nowhere on my wall for such big artwork right now. The thrift haul is coming up next, but first I wanted to show you a couple items I have for sale in my Etsy shop this week, and I will link that down below. The first thing I found to bring home with me was this cute little tin, and I loved the blue and white design all over it and all the flowers. I thought it was perfect for spring, and I thought it would look really nice in my kitchen. The next items I picked up was this small frame with the flower print, and also this double folding frame that is vintage, and I plan on selling these in my Etsy shop. And then I also picked up this nice basket, which was actually brand new. I had just cut the tag off, and I love getting baskets like this because they are always great for us to organize our homeschool supplies, and I really like the little nail detailing along the side. I also found this photo, and it's kind of like metal on wood, and I thought it was really interesting. I'm not sure what it's called, so if you know, let me know in the comments, but I just thought it was a really cool piece. And then I picked up these older style clothespins and this basket, which I'm going to put in my laundry room for decor. And then I picked up this cast iron chicken that is painted white, and I think I'm going to give this to my mom for Mother's Day because she loves chickens and roosters. I also picked up these two miniature tea sets that I thought were really cute. They have the shamrock design on both of them, and I thought it was nice that the sugar bowls and the teapots are different shapes for each one, and I'm going to be selling these in my Etsy shop as well. I also picked up these 2 old books, and I love decorating with old books in the house, and I love when they have writing in them. It just shows the history behind them. I found this little shell trinket, like change purse, and then I also found this milk glass bud vase that I thought was really cute, and I'm going to be selling these in my Etsy shop as well. Also this cast iron bunny. I picked up this little wooden shelf, and I just love having these around for decorating with. I can use them vertically or horizontal for stacking. The next item I found was this bird, and it's kind of like chalkware, and it has all these holes in there so you can put some stems, and I think it would make a really nice little flower arrangement. I also picked up these 2 metal hooks, which are great for hanging your plants up, and I've gotten a lot of plants lately in the past year, so I definitely need these. Well, that was everything I got during my thrift haul over the weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to check out my Etsy shop. And as always, thanks for watching.